Hello, and welcome back to the GCP-Mindset channel, where we explore how science meets practice in modern medicine. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic that sits at the intersection of technology and women's health: artificial intelligence in breast cancer screening.
Welcome to the GCP-Mindset channel, and all topics on clinical research.
Breast cancer is the most common cancer among women globally, and one of the leading causes of cancer-related death. Mammography, the X-ray imaging of breast tissue, has been the gold standard for early detection for decades. It's proven to reduce mortality by catching cancers before symptoms appear. But here's the challenge: mammography isn't perfect. Some cancers are missed, especially in women with dense breast tissue. Others are detected late or flagged incorrectly, leading to unnecessary anxiety and follow-up tests. Radiologists, though highly trained, can interpret the same image in different ways. Workload, fatigue, and variation in experience all play a role. This is where artificial intelligence enters the conversation. The promise is huge. Can AI assist radiologists in making faster, more accurate decisions without overwhelming the healthcare system or increasing false positives? Today, we'll look closely at two of the most important clinical trials that answer this question: the MASAI trial from Sweden and the AI Stream study from South Korea. We start in South Korea, where a large prospective study called AI Stream set out to test how effective AI is in a real-world national screening program. Over 24,000 women participated in this study, all aged 40 or older. Each woman's mammogram was interpreted first by a breast radiologist alone, and then again with the help of AI-based computer-aided detection, or AI-CAD. The results were striking. With AI assistance, the radiologists detected 140 cancers. That's compared to 123 without AI. That's a 13.8% increase in cancer detection. The cancer detection rate, or CDR, rose from 5.01 per 1,000 exams to 5.70 per 1,000 with AI support. Just as important, the recall rate, the number of women asked to come back for additional testing, did not increase. It remained steady at around 4.5% with and without AI. That's critical because unnecessary recalls can cause stress, cost money, and lead to overdiagnosis. AI also helped radiologists detect cancers that really matter: more ductal carcinoma in situ, DCIS, more invasive cancers, more small tumors under 20 millimeters, and more node-negative cancers. In other words, the kinds of cancers where early detection makes the biggest difference. But what about radiologists with less experience? The study ran a simulation with general radiologists, or GRs, those without a breast imaging specialty. The results were even more dramatic. With AI support, general radiologists improved their cancer detection rate by 26.4%. That means AI can be a game changer, especially in healthcare systems that don't have enough breast imaging specialists. AI was also tested on its own. As a standalone reader, it detected 128 cancers, which was close to what human radiologists found. However, it flagged more exams for recall, 6.25%, indicating that human oversight is still essential to keep false positives under control. Now, let's head to Sweden, home of one of the most advanced and carefully studied breast cancer screening systems in the world. The MASAI trial, short for mammography screening with artificial intelligence, was a randomized controlled trial, which means it offers the highest level of clinical evidence. The study enrolled more than 105,000 women and compared two screening strategies. In the control group, mammograms were read in the traditional way, double reading by two radiologists. In the intervention group, AI was used as a triage tool. Mammograms with low AI scores were sent to a single radiologist, while high-risk exams, those with higher AI scores, were double read by two radiologists as usual. The results? The AI-supported group detected 6.4 cancers per 1,000 screens, compared to 5.0 per 1,000 in the control group. That's a 29% increase in cancer detection. The recall rate did increase slightly, from 1.9% to 2.1%, but this difference was not statistically significant. More importantly, the false positive rate didn't increase. AI helped find more real cancers without creating more unnecessary workups. And here's the operational breakthrough. The AI-assisted model reduced the screen reading workload by 44%. That's nearly half the time saved for radiologists without sacrificing quality. This is especially meaningful in today's environment, where radiology departments are under pressure and resources are limited. In terms of cancer characteristics, the MASAI trial found more clinically relevant cancers: invasive tumors, node-negative cases, and non-luminal A subtypes, which are often more aggressive. Unlike many AI tools criticized for picking up indolent lesions, this study showed that AI can focus on the right kinds of cancers, the ones we truly want to catch early. So, what does this mean for patients, clinicians, and healthcare systems? From the AI Stream study, we learned that AI works in single-reader settings, a setup that's common in countries like South Korea, the US, and others where double reading isn't always feasible. AI boosts accuracy and catches more cancers without adding burden. From MASAI, we learned that AI can also enhance double reading systems by intelligently triaging low-risk cases and focusing human effort where it matters most. It not only improves cancer detection, but also reduces workload. In both studies, AI doesn't replace radiologists. It supports them. And when used properly, with human judgment guiding the final decision, it enhances care in a way that's safe, efficient, and scalable. It also highlights a clear path forward. Training, trust, and thoughtful implementation are key. AI must be calibrated, monitored, and continuously evaluated in the context of real-world screening programs. In conclusion, AI in breast cancer screening is no longer just a research topic, it's a clinical reality. The AI Stream and MASAI trials give us two strong models of how to implement AI effectively, one in a single-reader system, the other in a double-reader workflow. In both cases, AI detects more cancers, catches them earlier, and supports radiologists rather than replacing them. And when paired with smart clinical strategies, it can improve outcomes for women everywhere. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to follow or subscribe, and check the show notes for direct links to the full studies we discussed. Until next time, stay curious, stay evidence-based, and keep translating research into better care.